Hi, this is the REALME C17 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app and click here to yes I agree, tap to close and click to OK. And after that you could see information about your battery temperature, and in my case that's 27.8 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery level, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.